Okay, I'm recording.
Okay, these are my slow cooker liners. I'm very excited about it. I felt like it was a really good bang for the buck, so I just have to make sure the quality's there. There's 30 liners in total. They're BPA-free, heats up to 400 degrees, and it fits a 3 to 8 quart crock pot. This one here is a 7-quart, so if it fits, I'm gonna be happy. I'm gonna pull one out now. Again, there's 30 in total. All right, comes out easy, also easy to store, another plus. All right, let's see here. Okay, the bag feels good. It feels like nice quality. I'm gonna put it on my 7-quart crock pot now. Okay, and it fits with just a little bit of room to spare, which is great. Again, this is a 7-quart crock pot. It fits perfectly. I'm pretty happy overall. I'm gonna start cooking some dog food now. Again, there's 30 in the package. It's nice to store, and it really feels like good quality.